Hey everyone, and welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving into a story that's got Silicon Valley buzzing, maybe even a little nervous. It's all about DeepSeek, a Chinese AI company that's making some serious noise. But here's the kicker. The reaction to DeepSeek's advancements in China is completely different than what we're seeing here in the West. Why? What does it mean for the global AI race? And more importantly, how will it affect you? That's what we're unpacking today. So buckle up. The spark that ignited this conversation? A series of articles from Barron's, touching on everything from individual company performance to global political events. Now, these aren't just dry financial reports. These are potential game changers, ripple effects that could reshape industries and even societies. Think of it as a butterfly effect, a seemingly small event, like DeepSeek's rise, potentially leading to massive shifts down the line. We're talking investment decisions, business strategies, and even public opinion, all influenced by the flow of information. So, let's dive into the DeepSeek situation. Here in Silicon Valley, there's a mix of reactions. On one hand, there's the excitement and admiration for DeepSeek's technological prowess. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, and that's always exciting. On the other hand, there's a definite sense of unease. DeepSeek represents a serious competitor, a challenger to the dominance of companies like OpenAI and Google. This competition isn't just about bragging rights, it's about market share, talent acquisition, and ultimately the future of AI. Are we looking at a new AI superpower rising? Now, let's flip the script and head over to China. The reaction there is overwhelmingly positive, almost celebratory. DeepSeek is seen as a symbol of national pride, a testament to China's growing technological strength. There's a strong sense of government support and a willingness to invest heavily in DeepSeek's development. This isn't just about business, it's about strategic advantage. China sees AI as a key to future economic and political power, and DeepSeek is a vital piece of that puzzle. It's a national imperative, not just a business opportunity. Think about the implications of that difference in attitude. So, what are the immediate financial consequences of all this? Well, we're already seeing shifts in stock prices, investor sentiment, and trading volume for companies directly involved in the AI race. News about DeepSeek directly impacts companies like Amazon, Alphabet, Nvidia, even Tesla, as AI becomes more integrated into their operations. Investors are reevaluating market trends, looking at AI, diversity initiatives, and even cryptocurrency through a new lens. It's a volatile landscape, and the news cycle is driving the bus. A wrong headline can send shockwaves through the market, and that volatility? It's only going to increase. But the impact doesn't stop there. It ripples out into adjacent industries. Think about companies that rely on or compete with the AI giants. Tesla news, for example, impacts EV charging infrastructure companies. News about LeBron James impacts sports apparel companies. This cascade effect is crucial to understand. Changes in demand for related products and services are happening in real time. Soaring egg prices affect the restaurant industry. News about the Panama Canal impacts shipping companies. It's all interconnected, and AI is rapidly becoming the central nerve. Beyond the financial markets, we're seeing a profound socio-economic impact. Public perception of companies and individuals mentioned in the news is shifting rapidly. There's increased awareness of political issues, and perhaps most significantly, changes in consumer spending habits. Are people more willing to invest in AI-powered products? Are they worried about job displacement? These are the questions that are shaping the future. We're even seeing polarization of opinions on political and social issues, increased scrutiny of corporate diversity policies, and ultimately, changes in consumer confidence and the overall economic outlook. It's a brave new world, folks. Now, let's talk about risk. Because with great power comes great responsibility, and with great technological advancement comes great potential for things to go wrong. From a technical standpoint, websites like Barron's and many others are heavily reliant on JavaScript. That creates vulnerabilities. If JavaScript is disabled, the website's functionality is severely limited. Moreover, the reliance on advertising revenue makes the business vulnerable to changes in the advertising market and the effectiveness of ad blocking technology. And let's not forget website security. These sites are potential targets for malicious actors looking to exploit vulnerabilities and steal user data. It's a constant battle. From a business perspective, the risks are equally significant. Reputational risk is paramount. Publishing inaccurate or biased information can damage the reputation of Barron's and lead to a loss of trust. The financial news market is fiercely competitive. Barron's needs to continuously innovate to attract and retain readers. And then there's the challenge of the subscription model. Attracting and retaining subscribers in a world where much news content is available for free is a constant struggle. Plus, SEO and visibility are critical. Changes in search engine algorithms can significantly impact the website's traffic. It's a high-stakes game. But perhaps the most crucial risks are ethical. The website must strive to maintain objectivity and avoid bias in its reporting, especially when covering political figures and geopolitical issues. Conflicts of interest must be disclosed, and data privacy is non-negotiable. The website must be transparent about how it collects, uses, and shares user data. Misinformation and disinformation are real threats. An algorithmic bias can perpetuate discrimination. Transparency is key. Barron should be transparent about its editorial policies, funding sources, and ownership structure. We're talking about trust, and trust is earned, not given. Specifically, articles related to China carry unique risks. These articles could be subject to censorship or political pressure. Inaccurate or biased reporting on China could have significant consequences, both for the publication and for the individuals involved. The stakes are high, and the margin for error is slim. It's a delicate balancing act, navigating the complex political landscape while striving to deliver accurate and unbiased reporting. This is where the real challenges lie, folks. So, what does all this mean for the future? Are we looking at a two-horse race between the US and China in the AI arena? Is DeepSeek poised to become a dominant force? Will Silicon Valley adapt and innovate to maintain its lead? These are the questions that are keeping industry leaders up at night. The answer, of course, is complex and uncertain. But one thing is clear. The AI landscape is shifting rapidly, and the next few years will be critical in determining who comes out on top. And that outcome will shape the world we live in for generations to come. That's all for today's deep dive into DeepSeek and the AI landscape. I hope you found this analysis helpful. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on DeepSeek's rise? Do you think it poses a threat to Silicon Valley? What ethical concerns do you have about the rapid development of AI? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of the latest AI trends. Stay informed, stay engaged, and stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching.